everyone. I'm Tomomi Suzuki of Suzuki Company Limited. Suzuki Company Limited is automatic race specialized trading company. I ran the company in me with a husband. He worked in Star Micronics Company Limited for 21 years. He made the company independently 4 years ago. He knows an company's automatic race processor and can introduce them with confidence. Please send a drawing if you like in email. We estimate it with pleasure. I'm not good at speaking in English, so the questions, would you like the email and simple English? I'm looking forward to working with you. In Japanese, 最後まで聞いていただいてありがとうございます。自動旋盤専門商社株式会社鈴木です。どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。